So another thing is here. Observe this. You see the way you handle the microphone matters a lot. Look at this one. This one has disintegrated. So this one is a broken mouthpiece, and this one is a dead thing. So you need to get yourself another mouthpiece, and this mouthpiece is expensive. It is not like the 2-pin mouthpiece.
So zimeachana.
Hii sasa zimeshaisha. Of course ametingisha kitu hapo ndani.
Oh.
Sasa hii imededi.
Kufded.
Haya, tafuta mouthpiece nyingine ya kureplace. Mwangalia hapa mara moja. We have another microphone here, and she's doing a repeat job. And rectify all the mistakes that you did previously. Do not put paste here. Do not put paste on top of the surface. You will apply paste across or around on the perimeter of the microphone, not on top. Do not put too much paste. Just a little enough to help remove the microphone. Then be observant. Look at this pin. You see this direction?
Yes.
It is pointing towards the
pin.
hole, or the pin, or the opening. This one. So when you want to replace the mic, observe this direction. For this kind of device, for this motherboard. This one is Samsung Galaxy S3. If you turn this mic and replace it the other way, it is not going to work. These edges are ground, and these edges are the ones that do have value. So take note of the direction. Okay? You see? I said do not put too much paste. Now this mouthpiece, this game is called
Kufded.
dead on arrival. So that mic is not going to work. I repeat, these are small things, but you have to practice them. Very small.
Yes.
Now you have to understand these things before you understand how to remove ICs and ball ICs, because these ones are the most common ones. Okay? Hey, this one is an audio problem, so you have to replace this mouthpiece. Yeah? Okay, just do it for practice, but this one, no, it will not work. The way you handle that microphone matters a lot. Look at your tweezer. The way you're handling the microphone matters too much. That is why I came up with this tweezer, so that you will know how to take good care of your tools. This tweezer will be perfect for that kind of job. When you're handling this one, observe. You see these edges should handle the base, not the top part. Otherwise, you're going to experience the same problem that you did last time by removing this cap. You see? These tweezers, you're going to put one edge here and another one here, not on top of this surrounding of this cap. Okay? You can also use that one, but you should be comfortable with it. It should not be slippery. It should not slide. You can try this one if it's you so many tools. Same ati ni tool ilikuwa mbaya. The air that you are using and the heat, the temperature that you are using should also be regulated. Do not put there 500 degrees and expect the mouthpiece to work. You are going to fry it. Do not put too much air, the mouthpiece is going to fly away. So if you put too much temperature, you will fry the mouthpiece. If you put too much air, you will fly the mouthpiece. Those are tongue twistings. Too much temperature, you're going to fry the mouthpiece. Too much air, you're going to fly the mouthpiece. It will fly. Now, how is she handling? That is the correct method. But you can see it is shining here, and there is some liquid that is entering the mouthpiece. This mouthpiece is dead already. But we are just using it as an example. Do not put too much air. That is why if you're not used to this kind of method, you will hit it from below. But it is advisable to learn this way because nowadays motherboards are made with components on both sides, unlike these old motherboards where most components used to be on one side only. Okay? Just continue. Continue. I like the way you're handling it like that. Hit this side. Watch out. Watch here. Hit this side in a circular motion, circular or semicircular motion. Hit this side. Don't hit directly on the mouthpiece, because if you hit directly on the mouthpiece, you're going to fry the mouthpiece and you're going to cook it You know, you're going to cook it. Hit it. There are so many ways that you can remove this one. Outside you can hit it like that, or by the side you can hit it beneath, and you can hold it like that. If you're not good in holding, you can just try to trigger it and see if it will move. 3 minutes is enough. 3 minutes is enough. And remember this pin. That is the direction. Umeelewa sasa? Sasa unaweza itoa perfect.
Yes.
Hiyo ndio lesson ya leo tu.
Hiyo sio unafaa kutoa kwanza.
Gani?
Hiyo.
Hakuna kitu ya kutoa hapo kwanza.
Hiyo.
Utoa hii unaishika hivi yote. Kitoa ya juu itakufa. Utahit. To expose hizo mechanism za mic huko ndani.
Sorry bali ni asini kesho tu.
Unaweza pesa tena kidogo.
Mimi nataka hiyo kitu itoke. Haitoki?
Acha.
Haitoki.
Wale sasa rebolin tunafanya kesho.
Sasa imesonga sana.
11:31.
Nilikuwa nasema ni dakika 10.
Na bado watu wako wengi.
Taonyesha tu namna ya kutoa IC, lakini sasa kesho tutaanzia hapo.
Inshallah.
Nowadays they even use gun. You just put here a gun, a very hot gun, and it hits. Remove this one, but it's okay. I say you hit it in a semicircular motion. Don't hit it directly like that. You're going to kill the mouthpiece, assuming that it's a working one. Maybe you want to salvage it and use it somewhere else. You see this one, this paste is going to enter here. So you wipe it quick, fast.
Wipe.
Daktari, utakalia hiyo kiti?
Haya ataweka na mguu.
Mbona hii inapasuka sasa hivi?
The way you're handling it. Nitoe.
Ai.
Nikuje nitoe. Now observe what I'm telling you. You will remove it very, very smoothly. Hit. Listen. Without pushing it. Hit in a semicircular motion or in a circular motion. Don't hit directly. Hit as I tell you. Hit. It is the heat that is required. Usitoe nje ya nini surface. Not too fast. Just slowly. Come on. Sasa nikushike. Continue like that. Hit it. Hit it. Imetoka rahisi au imetoka ngumu? Imetoka ngumu au imetoka rahisi? Simple. Usikimbie ngoma bado. You're just getting started. Toa hii sasa, hii circular. Toa hiyo sasa. Still a mouthpiece. So another microphone is here. And now observe. This one has several openings. Just a little paste around it. Okay? Remove it. The same trick, the same method. Remove it.
Hizo za direction yake mwalimu.
Taonyesha, nataka atoe. Hizo ni circular mouthpiece. Inafaa ujitrainishe kuhandle hiyo gani.
Wewe endelea bwana, chana hao watangazaji.
Aha. Hit.
Side moja tu.
Hizo mic zote unaweza hitia chini, but nataka mtrain kuhitia juu. Na pro piga hivyo. Continue. Where is the microphone?
Ishatupa.
If you put too much air, you're going to blow it. It's going to fly. Now, this is the positive side. This is the positive section, and this surrounding is the ground, the negative section for that kind of mouthpiece. Okay?
Okay.
So you have looked at two kind of mouthpiece.
So which is
Now
the
this
direction?
one, you can put the universal mouthpiece. The red wire will be pinned here, and the black wire will be on the outer surface.
There's a loop to hivyo pia.
You just pin it like that. And this one you can use that one without putting the resistor.
Or any direction mwalimu.
Yeah, you can use this one. So I've said you can use this one and the red wire here, the black wire there, okay? Tafanya kwa hiyo.
So tuseme hii haina direction.
Je, direction red katikati, black nje.
Kurudisha sasa, unajua arudishe ile.
This is a circular thing. Hii ni line moja, hii ukipima na mita hii na hii ni line moja. So hii ni red, hiyo ni positive. Sasa I think mmeshaona namna ya kutoa mic.
Yes.
Wacha niwatolee ingine moja na niwaonyeshe sasa steps. Nilikuwa nimeonyesha steps za kutoa. Sasa nitoe mic moja niwaonyeshe kitu yenye mnaweza kuwa mna miss hapa. I have said and handle this one with care. There was another. Now that one is big. We have another one here. Another microphone here with us. This one is either G320 or K5, like this.
Ionekani.
This one is Samsung Galaxy J5, and we are going to remove this mouthpiece. Observe, just a little paste is enough. Mimi sijaweka ugali yote. Observe, just a little paste is enough, and observe how I'm putting my paste. That is kama una syringe. That paste is enough. Okay? So don't hit it directly here, okay? Because heat is going to enter this mouthpiece and it's going to damage it. Hit it by the sides, okay? The intention is to get this motherboard hot so that this one can come off quickly. It will be helped by the paste that we have just put. So hit it by the sides. You can either remove it by pulling it off or just push it by the side the way I have done, like that. If there is some space. Umeona?
Yes.
Kwa sababu if you just pull it off, there is a possibility that you can disintegrate it. Okay?
Yes.
And that one will have killed it. Now this one, since there is no, okay, there is a direction here, but others, if they don't have, it is good for you to take a picture before action. You see this pin?
Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes.
This is the direction of where you're going to put it back. So you clean the surface and mount it again. Okay? And when mounting, remember the mouthpiece should be within that bracket, that range bracket that has been put there. You see? Like that. Are we good there?
Yes.
Uko sawa?
Bye.
Sasa mwenye hajafanya studies anakuja kufanya studies. Acha nionyeshe sasa ya sako pia. Another circular one. Tena tu hivyo basi. Another observation to be made here. This is our circular mouthpiece and we want to remove it. I have said don't carry the whole community paste with you, just a little, and apply it by the side, by the circumference of the mouthpiece, by the side. Not too much, not too little, just enough. Then start hitting it around. And remember, we have different kinds of motherboards. While you continue working in this field, you'll understand that there are some kind of motherboards that hit faster than others. Like this one is going to melt at a lower degree than the previous one. We have very tough motherboards like the ones that I used to make BlackBerry phones. And we have very weaker motherboards like the cheaper model phones. Now this one, you can handle it like that. or you, as I've said, you can push it aside like that. Okay? Yeah, you handle it like that. I've said this middle section is the positive side, this surrounding is the negative side. And that one can be seen by observing this mouthpiece on the opposite side. Now let us turn it like this. You see the circumference? This is the positive side, and this is the negative side, okay? Yeah, that's the direction of this one. So you can return it back after doing your thing by cleaning this surface. So just follow the right procedure. You clean this surface first. Paste. There, we've applied some paste. Then we are going to put in mold. Then we return our mouthpiece. Like that. So, highlights for tomorrow. Tomorrow, when you come early, if by any chance you come earlier than me, start practicing. These kind of motherboards are very weak and